Dyson's most intelligent, powerful cordless vacuum has twice the suction of any cordless vacuum. Dyson technology helps create a cleaner, healthier home. Our vacuums and purifiers are scientifically proven to capture particles as small as allergens and bacteria. Dyson DLS technology automatically senses and adapts to changes in floor type to extend runtime. The right balance of power and runtime when you need it. High torque cleaner head automatically adapts suction and power to deep clean different floor types without changing cleaner heads. Advanced whole machine filtration traps 99.99% of particles, dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns.